Okay, so super exciting news. I just got the update 2018.10.4 on my 100D, and a lot of you wanted to see this, so I figured definitely worthwhile filming this. So on this super tight S-curve that we did the other day, my car in 2018.6.4 maybe handled it just fine, whereas David's on 2018.10.4 didn't. So today, now that I have the update and now that we know my car did it successfully before, we're gonna try doing it in my car today. I imagine it's not going to. Maybe I'll be pleasantly surprised. But I figured a lot of you guys commented thinking it might be differences in the cars. So we are going to test that out and rule that out or decide that that was the factor. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do this. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and slow down to 20 like we had done previously. Hands are up. Just kidding, I'm gonna put them down here because I don't know if it's gonna be able to do it. No, this is identical to what David's did. But the cool thing is autopilot does come back really quick. So David's did handle this, it was just like almost on the line. Okay, so this is almost identical to David's 90D, so it definitely was something in the old update that somehow it managed to do that. One thing though, I'll go ahead and put them side by side on the screen, I think it's interesting to look at, is the lines. So in 2018.10.4, it seems that the lines are a little bit more stable, whereas in 2018.6.4.1, whatever it was, sorry, they tend to jump around a lot more. So I don't know, it's something with it. It is a very tight turn though. I would never recommend using autopilot on that turn. It is something that we have decided to test with. So definitely just be careful with your autopilot. I can't stress that enough. Be conscious of what it can and cannot do.
The next day.
Okay, so it is a new day. It's actually a new setup. This is my new gaming rig, FYI. I'm launching a gaming channel coming up, but I had some things that kind of want to go over that kind of just hit, and pretty exciting stuff. So I have some notes here, so sorry if I'm looking down, it's still pretty new. So we have a new MCU, obviously, in some of the newer Teslas. Along with that, Tesla is now starting to push out their new maps, which are vector-based. So if you have a new MCU, you would be getting 2018.10.2. That supposedly has the new vector maps. A couple people have noticed that already in some loaner cars that they had. So that's super exciting. If you have 2018.10.4, it's actually being reported that some people with those updates, which that's actually what I have, David has, Scott has, and a lot of other people that I know have, are getting vector maps too. So it's just something, a flick of a switch and they can turn it on. So that's gonna be coming soon. I don't know if it's gonna be a new update entirely, because the fact that some people with 2018.10.4 have it makes me think that they can just enable it. This was actually found out like 7-8 months ago by a awesome user actually on YouTube. I'll put his link down below, definitely check him out. But he found that there was new vector-based maps. So vector-based maps are very highly defined, and you can actually zoom in with more accuracy, a lot more so they could actually probably use some vector-based maps with autopilot. Which is super exciting because that just means autopilot's gonna get that much better. He was able to actually go into the software and turn it on and off, and he's able to get an example with the new vector-based maps and one without. Definitely an awesome video. Go ahead and check it out if you want to see it in its entirety. But that's what we can expect here coming up. And Elon just tweeted yesterday that they should be out by the end of the week. So the fact that we've already seen a few people with them means that they're definitely getting ready to push this out widely to the fleet. So I really can't wait for that. Vector-based maps should be loading faster too on the old MCU along with the new one, and they're just overall just better maps. So hopefully we no longer see some of these crazy routings that we've seen on the old maps. I know I've seen some pictures online where it really tried to route you 3 sides of a square instead of just making you do 1 side. Stuff like that. Hopefully this will fix all that. But definitely let me know down in the comment section below if you get this update and how it is for you. I should hopefully receive it soon on one of the cars. I mean, we have 3 chances to receive it. If not, I will call some friends and we'll be sure to bring it to you guys ASAP. Like I said though, this is the start of my new gaming channel that I'm actually going to be bringing you guys. I'm actually a big PC gamer, PS4 gamer, but I really haven't done anything in the terms of YouTube with that. But this is now changing. Once I hit 15,000, I kind of figured maybe it is time. So thank you guys for all the support. And if you guys want to check out my gaming channel, I'll drop it down in the comment section and in the description probably a little later. Still tweaking a few things on it. But I will start live streaming actually tonight with Far Cry 5. So if you are interested in that, definitely be sure to keep on the lookout for that and subscribe. I'll also go ahead and post on all my social media once that channel goes live. But that's basically it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Definitely if you are looking for a Tesla though, check out our website, teslainventory.com. If you're looking for a newer inventory model, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below or at the top of our website. Doing so will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which currently that is the only way to do so. And will help us get qualified for certain reward prizes, which include like getting us to all these cool events so that we can bring you guys along through live streams and such. So any help is certainly appreciated, and if you do use our code, definitely reach out to me via email and let me know. So that way I have your contact information, so when we take delivery of our next gen Roadster, one of those guys, we can have you guys out and experience that delivery with us, do some test rides, test drives, because really without your support, none of this would be possible. But as always, definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go and click here to subscribe, here for some other videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I ain't gonna die tonight. You can't kill me, not my spirit. History is ours tonight. The people are chanting.